Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 208 in the Tech Edition specification. So as the name suggests, this car is packed full of great features, including park assist, has 3D navigation, front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you also have the touchscreen, which features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 6,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.